So this is our smallest docket I've ever seen. Maybe we're all caught up and they'll all go online resolution and we won't do this anymore.
Maybe, but yeah, this is tiny.
This is how many people don't show up. Sean Woods. Hold on one. Sean Woods, Tom's iPhone, no audio. Thomas iPhone.
Hi, how you doing?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Tom, you are your full name for the record.
Thomas Snipes.
What time are you scheduled? There you are. Yep. For 9 a.m. Give me 1 second, Tom. Thomas, the prosecutor is present. I don't have a plea agreement in the file. What is
There's
the
no
officer?
offer on this file.
How you doing?
Did you hear me? There's
No.
no offer on this one.
Okay. All right, Mr. Snipes, you're charged with driving while license suspended. Do you want to speak with the in-house attorney?
Yes.
Okay, give me 1 minute. I'm going to put you in a breakout room and she's going to meet with you. So it's going to appear in a minute. So sit tight, okay?
All right, thank you.
Who's our MIDC attorney?
It's Sharon. She just got here. I'm going to let her in here in just a minute.
Oh, okay. Did you get my email with the offers then or no?
I probably did, but I'm running behind. I had to.
Okay, yeah, I sent it, I think, on Friday.
Good morning, Sharon.
Good morning.
I have your first person. It's Thomas Snipes, if I can find him. Sharon, this created these rooms automatically, and that's what I don't want it to do.
Okay.
Let me close these.
Spannerino.
Yes, Miss Greer, how are you?
Good. How are you?
Oh, good. I just sent you an email with the offers for the docket this morning.
Okay, great. Thank you very much. I can't
You're welcome.
find my glasses, so that's why I'm late. I'm trying.
Uh-oh.
Can't see.
So I guess Monday morning, start pre-trials, and the new thing with Zoom is it automatically creates breakout rooms and puts people in them and no option to assign them.
Okay.
There it is. All right, Mr. Snipes,
Yes.
a breakout room is going to appear on your screen. You're going to click on it to enter it, and the attorney's going to be there with you shortly, okay?
Okay.
Sharon, there you go.
Okay, thanks.
Sean Woods. Kyle Aaron Case, no audio.
Is Mr. Case's attorney in the waiting room?
Well, let me find out if that's Jack Burke.
Yep.
Good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Your name for the record.
For the record, G. Jack Burke appearing on behalf of Mr. Kyle Case.
All right, Mr. Burke, the prosecutor's present, Angela Manarino, you want to speak with her?
I actually had a chance to exchange emails last week, and we do have an offer on the table, but we'd like to request a brief adjournment and set it for another pretrial conference to give us a chance to review video discovery in the case.
Angela, you're good with that, correct?
Oh, yeah, that's not a problem.
So I'm entering a plea of not guilty for your client. We're going to push this out to the next call. Agreed?
Yes, that would be excellent.
All right, that's a driving while license suspended and an improper lane use. It's a civil infraction. These are pushed out to the next call. You get a notice in the mail. You're gonna let your client know.
I will.
Mr. I thought I seen Mr. Case here, but you'll let him know, correct?
I will.
All right, we're all set.
Thank you very much.
Charles Stephen Ernest. Charles Stephen Arnett.
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Yep.
I apologize. I'm trying. It's my first time I've used Zoom.
All right, Mr. Arnest, you have a case of driving while license suspended and failed to stop at a property damage accident. The prosecutor's present. There's a plea offer from her, correct? Angela?
Yes, yeah, we would amend the DWLS to no ops and the failure to stop to failure to report.
All right, Mr. Arnest, do you want to speak with the in-house attorney?
I'm sorry, you were breaking up just a little bit. You wanted to reduce the failure to stop to a failure to report. I believe I just had a hard time hearing you. I apologize.
Yes, we'd amend the DWLS to no operator's license on person and the failure to stop to failure to report.
I would like to accept that, please. I don't need to speak to anyone.
So you're declining the attorney, correct?
I am, sir.
So we're reducing the driving while license suspended to no ops on person, correct?
Yes,
Mr. Arnest, at the time of the stop on April 16th this year in Van Buren Township, when you were pulled over, did you have a valid license?
No, sir, I did not.
I'm going to accept your plea. Your fines and costs. Well, hold on a minute. You understand that by accepting this plea, you're giving up your right to a trial before a judge and before a jury, correct?
Yes, I do, sir.
And you understand that you're entering into this plea freely and voluntarily, correct?
Yes, sir.
Your fines and costs total $475. You can pay that in the next 5 days.
are you taking the plea on the second case as well?
I don't see that case. I only have one. What is the other one?
It was a failure to stop after a property damage accident. They both, so on the docket, they both have the same case number. I don't know if they're both in that same file. They're both 210434.
See, isn't that amazing? We have such a basic docket today, but it's all complicated.
I'd expect nothing else.
Let me just flip this. Ho, ho, ho. The other one's a civil infraction?
Nope, it's a misdemeanor.
This long form complaint. They're both on here. What did you do on the other charge?
The failure to stop is being reduced to failure to report.
Well, they only gave me one file. Oh, it's count two. Okay, hold on. I'm doing paperwork, so sit tight, okay?
Yes, sir.
And you're reducing the fail to stop at a property damage accident to fail to report?
That's correct.
You understand that, Mr. Arns?
Yes, sir.
Well, again, on count one, the prosecutor's reducing the charge from driving while license suspended to no ops on person. The fines and costs on that case are $475. On your other case, I'm reducing it to fail to report from fail to stop. Your fines and costs on that case are $325. You can pay this in the next 5 days.
Would it be possible to get 10 days, sir? I
Yep.
might be.
Hold on. Pay within 15 days. You can pay it in person at the court's drop box, online, or by US mail. How are you
Thank you,
gonna pay it?
I can do that. Thank you.
How are you gonna pay it?
I can pay it in person.
What's your cell number? Mr. Arness, your cell number? He's a goner, huh?
Looks like it. Oh, there he is.
Mr. Arness, your cell number?
It is 248-277-0730.
All right, pay it in the next 15 days and you'll be all set, okay?
Thank you, sir.
Aaron, good morning.
Morning.
We are
Yes.
ready on Mr. Snipes.
Yes.
May I speak with Ms. Manarino for just a moment?
Yep. You're gonna go to room 1 to see her.
Okay.
Daquan Dunlap. Daquan Dunlap. Erica Colby. Colby Whitney. Colby Whitney. No audio. It's on, the problem's on your end. I'm gonna put you in a waiting room. Isn't it mind blowing how Michelle can have every person connect and I get on this thing and it's a denial?
It's also Monday morning, so, you know, can't
Oh.
expect too much.
Sharon, whenever you're ready.
We're ready on Mr. Snipes.
Okay. Mr. Snipes, your attorney's present. She's going to put her appearance on the record.
Sharon
Oh.
Greerprint on behalf of Mr. Snipes. As to the arraignment, we would waive the formal reading and stand mute to those charges. There is no offer at this time, and Mr. Snipes is willing to plead guilty as charged to driving with his license suspended.
Mr. Snipes, at the time of the stop back on October 17th of 2019, did you have a valid license?
No, sir.
I'm going to accept your plea to driving while license suspended. Your fines and costs total $475. You can pay that in the next 5 days? Or you need time to pay?
I believe I already paid majority of everything. Whatever was already.
Well, only thing I have in my file, I'm not saying that you didn't, but the only thing I have in here is that a $45 suspension fee was paid on May 24th of 2021. You can go to the court and if you have proof that you paid it, you'll show it at the court, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, and I would ask that it would be at least 30 days to pay so that he can come in and show his proof.
Okay. Mr. Snipes, your phone number ends in 2944, agreed?
Yes.
And you're still on Pebblebrook, correct?
Yes.
Okay, appear at the court in the next 30 days and get the payment or situation taken care of and you'll be all set, okay?
All right. Thank you.
You have a good day.
You too.
Daquan Dunlap. Daquan Dunlap, no audio. Sean Woods. Sean Woods, no audio. Person identifying as Sade, S-A-D-E. Sade Jennings. Sade Jennings. Today is a no audio day.
Sade.
Sade,
Yes.
good morning.
Good morning.
Al Hindman, the magistrate. Today's the date and time set for a pre-trial with the Van Buren Township prosecutor. Do you want to speak with the in-house attorney?
Yes.
I'm going to put you in a breakout room. It's going to appear on your screen. You're going to click to enter it. You're going to have a conversation with the attorney. And after you're done, you're going to click to leave it. Okay.
Okay.
This is a driving while license suspended case. I don't have any plea agreements today, Sharon. So if you want to speak with Angela.
She sent me
Sharon
the
the offer
offers.
sheet.
Okay.
Yes. So we're one step ahead.
Okay. Sharon, I'm going to move you to number 2.
Okay.
Sade, just click on it to enter the room.
Okay.
Good morning, Erica. Did you get your audio fixed out? There you go. Good morning.
Good morning, sorry.
Your name for the record.
Colby Whitney.
Colby L. Hindman, the magistrate. Today's the date and time set for a pretrial with the Van Buren Township prosecutor. You have a case of allowing a person to drive in violation of vehicle code. Do you want to speak with the in-house attorney?
Yes.
All right. A breakout room is going to appear on your screen. You're going to click to enter it. The attorney won't be there when you first get there. You're going to wait for the attorney to appear. You'll have a conversation, and when you're done, you'll click to leave it, okay?
Okay. Thank you. Okay, join.
Yep. Sean Woods. Sean Woods. Sean Woods, no audio, no video. Daquan Dunlap. Daquan Dunlap. No audio, no video.
We're going to ask for a pretrial on this matter, Your Honor.
Sade,
Yes.
we're going to push this out,
Okay.
correct?
Yes.
Your Honor, she is trying to take care of some of the things that are the offenses that are on that traffic offenses on her record. Excuse me, it's been a long weekend. And she's indicating to me that some of the offenses were committed by her sister using her name. So she's trying to get these court dates and get things taken care of. September 23rd is your hearing date? 21st. So if we could do something maybe after that. So at least we'll know where we stand, or she'll know where she
But
stands.
throw me a date. How far out you want it?
September 30th.
All right, I've put on here, they'll push it out till September. We're all set.
Okay, thank you.
I have another person, I'm gonna move you to room 3, okay? And that's gonna be Colby Whitney.
Okay,
You're all set, Ms. Shetty.
Thank you. Do I leave the meeting?
Yep, yep.
Okay. Okay.
Sean Woods. Sean Woods. Sean Woods. Good morning, no audio. Can't hear you at all, Mr. Woods. Try to reposition. There-
Okay, I can hear you now. I'm sorry, Judge.
That's all right.
This is the first, I usually do this on my computer, but I couldn't find coverage, so I'm at work
That's
and I'm
okay.
on the phone. I'm sorry.
Mr. Woods, you have a driving while license suspended case. You want to speak with the in-house attorney?
Yes, please.
All right, I'm going to put you in a breakout room. It's going to appear on your screen. You're going to click to enter it, and she won't be there. She'll appear in a few minutes. You'll have a conversation with her, and then you'll click to leave it to come back here, okay?
Okay.
All right.
For Miss Whitney,
Yep.
after the arraignment, well, we would waive the formal reading and stand mute to the charges. Miss Whitney is asking for a pretrial date. Apparently the person that was driving is having a contested hearing with the police officer, and they just want to see what happens with that because, you know, there's some issues with the stop and things of that nature. So we just want to
How long do you want to adjourn for?
September.
All right, a new notice will be sent in the mail. Ms. Whitney, you're all set, correct?
Yes, sir.
Entered a plea of not guilty on your behalf, and we'll reschedule it in September.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right.
Thank you.
Ms. Greer, I have, let me see here. Mr. Woods, Sean Woods, I'm going to move you to breakout room 2.
Okay.
Okay.
We leave, we're done, right?
You're all set.
All right. Thank
Sorry,
you.
thanks.
Sorry.
Sharon Greerprint on behalf of Mr. Woods, we will waive the formal reading of the information, and we would ask the court to enter a not guilty plea for him. There is a negotiated plea at this time of operating without a valid license on his person, and he is willing to accept that.
So it's going to be reduced from driving while license suspended to operating without a valid license?
That's correct.
Okay, I've dismissed the original charge of driving while license suspended. I've added the count of operating motor vehicle without a valid license. Your fines and costs total $475. You can pay that in the next 5 days, or you need 10.
Actually, I couldn't pay it in the next 5 days. Is it possible that I can be put on a payment plan,
Yeah.
please?
Oh, your phone number ends in 4040, correct?
Yes,
And your address on Google is still good, correct?
yes.
Pay close attention to your cell phone. You'll be contacted by the collections department to set up a payment plan.
Okay.
Now, just to confirm, there's an added on piece of paper that you have a pretrial on August 23rd on 2 other cases, correct?
Yes.
Okay, be at those dates and you'll be all set.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Have a good day.
Yes. Have a great day.
A moment and make a call to my mom's doctor really quick.
Go ahead.
Okay, thank you. But I'm still here
Yep.
listening.
Galaxy A01, no audio, no video. Galaxy A01, no audio. Daquan,
Hello?
good morning.
Can you hear me?
Yep, your name for the record?
Daquan Dunlap.
Mr. Dunlap, Al Hindman, the magistrate. Today's the date and time set for a pretrial. You have a driving while license suspended charge out of Van Buren Township. Do you want to speak with the in-house attorney? Mr. Dunlap?
I'm sorry, I could not hear you. My app is really bugging. Okay, what did you say?
Daquan, you have a driving while license suspended case with Van Buren Township. Do you want to speak with the in-house attorney?
Is that the DA? Is that?
No, the prosecutor is present. This is a free attorney that we have available that if you want to talk to about your case.
Did you hear me?
No,
I said no, sir. I can't afford them.
no, the attorney doesn't cost anything.
Oh, okay, then yeah, I'll talk to him then.
At this time, it could down the road. I'm just saying you have one available today to speak with.
Okay, no, I don't.
You don't want to speak with the attorney?
Oh, yes, I will speak to the
Right.
attorney.
Pay close attention to your screen. A breakout room is going to appear. I'm going to move you to that breakout room. The attorney will show up in there and have a conversation with you. When you're done with that conversation, you're going to click to leave it to come back here, okay?
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Sharon, I moved him into courtroom number 2 or breakout room number 2. Whenever you're ready, no problem.
Okay, I'm here.
Whenever, if you're done with your other calls, there's no rush. He's waiting in number
Okay.
2.
Of course, trying to reach a doctor's office is insane. So I'm going to call them back shortly. Okay.
Mr. Dunlap, Daquan Dunlap. Galaxy A01, no audio. Good morning. Identify yourself for the record. You have no audio. We have video, no audio. See if you can find a microphone on your screen and click it. Still no audio. See if you're muted on your end. If you have a microphone, you can click on it.
May I speak with Miss Angela, please?
Yep. Morning. He's in one, Sharon.
Angela? Angela's in one?
I just moved you there.
Okay.
Galaxy A1, no audio. Galaxy A1, no audio.
Okay. Hello,
Good morning.
morning. I'm so sorry, sir.
That's okay. Your name for the record?
Montez Tate.
Montez Tate. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Today's the date and time set for a pretrial, Mr. Tate. I'm Al
Okay.
Hindman, the magistrate. Do you want to speak with the in-house attorney?
Yes, I do.
All right, a breakout room is going to appear on your screen. You're going to click to enter it. She won't be there. She'll appear there shortly. You'll have a conversation. When you're done with that conversation, you'll click to leave it and come back here, okay?
Yes, sir.
Sit
Thank
tight.
you.
Just show
Thank
up.
you for your patience.
I'm going back to Mr. Dunlap.
Okay. Sharon, 1 minute. I'll move you there.
Okay, thank you.
Hi, how you doing?
Hold on. I put you in the wrong spot.
Okay.
Just click to enter it and she'll show up there in a little bit. Good morning.
Morning.
Your name for the record.
Joseph Blankenship.
Okay, Mr. Blankenship, Al Hindman, the magistrate. Today's the date and time set for a pretrial. You have a driving while license suspended case with Van Buren Township. Do you want to speak with the in-house attorney?
Yeah, for a minute if I could.
Okay, sit tight. A breakout room is going to appear on your screen. You're going to click to enter it. You're going to enter that room. She'll show up. She won't be there when you first get there. Sit tight and wait for her. When you're done, you'll click to leave it to come back here, okay?
Yes, sir.
Sharon, go ahead.
Sharon Greerprint on behalf of Mr. Dunlap. As to the arraignment, we would waive the formal reading, stand mute. There is a negotiated plea for Mr. Dunlap of operating a motor vehicle without a license on his person, and he will accept that offer.
Mr. Dunlap, at the
Sir.
time of the stop back on January 31st of last year when you were pulled over, did you have a valid license?
Oh, sir.
I'm going to accept your plea. Your fines and costs total $475. I've dismissed the original charge of driving while license suspended. I've added the count of operating a motor vehicle without a license on your person. You can pay that in the next 5 days.
Yes, sir.
You can pay it at the 34th District Court. You can pay it online. You can pay it by US mail or at the court's drop box. How are you paying it?
I'm gonna come up to the court.
Pay it in the next 5 days and you'll be all set, okay?
Okay.
you're all set.
Thank you, sir.
Sharon, I'm going to move you to 4 to speak with Mr. Blankenship.
Okay.
Or no, I'm sorry. It's going to be Montez Tate.
Okay.
And then to 4 to see Mr. Blankenship.
Very well.
Going to 3 first.
Okay.
How you doing, ma'am?
Hold on just one moment. We're going into a
Montez,
breakout room.
speak on your breakout room and go back there. She's going to talk to you out of my presence.
Oh, okay. I was having trouble with it. That's why I just was like, forget it.
Nope, you can't forget it. Go back.
Yeah, I just want to take care of this matter. That's all. I'm sorry, ma'am.
Go to the breakout room, sir.
Okay.
Okay. And I'll be right there.
Okay. I'm trying, ma'am. I got a dinosaur 4 phone.
Oh.
I'm trying to do it, but it's not letting me, ma'am. It won't let me, ma'am.
Oh, wow.
Sharon, I'm going to try moving everybody to 3.
Okay.
It's going to pop up on your screen again. If it doesn't, Montez, I don't know what to tell you.
I just want to take care of the matter, sir. I'll accept anything.
Hold on. Going to number 2. Should appear on your screen. Click to join it. Sharon, did 2 come up on your screen?
No, it didn't.
Huh. Well,
And
if
Angela.
he got there, he's in there, and I can't get you there now. I don't know what to do.
Okay, now I'm going to try it, but Angela, I don't see Mr. Tate on the docket on your offer sheet. I'm sorry. Now, of course, I don't have my glasses.
No, he's not on my list. I didn't have him on my docket.
Well, then what I have here, watch it not even be a Van Buren. No, it's Van Buren driving while license suspended back on October 7th to 20th.
What time was he scheduled for?
What's that?
What time was he scheduled for?
9:30.
I don't have anything scheduled after 9:20, so I didn't have his on the court's docket. And I don't have, I mean, I can look and see if I have a driving record somewhere, but I doubt it. Because I don't have access to the PD files from home.
Okie dokie. Can we just, we'll have to give him a new date?
Yep.
Okay. And then he can get to a better phone as well.
And there's no way, well, here, I'm just going to do this. Everything's a failure today. No, it really is. It's kind of shocking. Whenever somebody else does it, it works fine. I take over and it all goes to heck.
Well, with me being on here, I'm not surprised because it's been.
How you doing, ma'am?
All right.
Nope.
Mr. Tate, Al Hindman, the magistrate, your case is not on the list for the prosecutor. She hasn't reviewed it.
Okay.
You're going to get a new date in the mail. Pay close attention to your address is still on McDonald and West Lane, correct?
Yes, sir.
And your phone number ends in 6006, correct?
6006.
Yep. You'll get a new notice in the mail and you'll appear on another date. Okay.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Now, Mr. Blankenship, I'm going to move you into a breakout room again. After I make them. Yep, I'm going to move you and the defense attorney to room 5. Click on it to join it.
May I speak with Miss Angela?
Yep.
Okay, I guess we can do it right here, Angela.
I guess so. He just ran away on us.
He just left us. It's been one of those kind of weekends, I'm telling you. Mr. Blankenship is saying that he got something in the mail. Of course, this is the way I'm saying it is not, I'm saying it the way he's saying it.
Gotcha.
He got something in the mail that said, hold on to this paper. It's a clearance for your license being suspended. And then he got stopped, even though he had that piece of paper, and it says that his driving license was suspended.
What was the date of the stop?
Okay.
That might be helpful.
Okay. All right. Let me get that. Let me get that. I'll be right back.
Well, I can.
Take it
I'll
that
just,
breakout room didn't work, huh?
No, sir.
it didn't.
Well, then there's something wrong because I have the breakout rooms up in front of me and it shows you both in there.
Can you, well, if you're going to send us, can you tell me what the date of the stop was? I just don't have the ticket. I figured it's in the court file.
We're talking about Mr. Blankenship,
Correct.
4/22/21.
Okay. So, Sharon, it looks like he had a suspension from Secretary of State from April 13th, 2021 through May 6th of 2021. So he would have been in that suspension at the time he was stopped.
Wow. So he probably just didn't know that his license was suspended. More than
Yeah, I don't know.
April. So it was a 2-month suspension then.
He had a 30. It looks like it was April 13th to May 6th. So
okay.
It was about 30 days.
Wow. Okay. You wouldn't do an allowing on him for that?
No.
Okay. Okay, here we go. I'm going back. Okay, I was in the wrong room.
Hold on. Here you go.
Okay, thanks.
Yep. Galaxy Note 8, no audio. No audio. No audio. No audio, nothing I can do. You got to get your sound working on your end. Galaxy Note 8, no audio. No audio on your end. Sharon, good morning.
Good morning, still morning. Sharon Greer, on behalf of Mr. Blankenship, as to the arraignment, we will waive the formal reading. Mr. Blanken, and stand mute. Mr. Blankenship believes that his license was valid at the time of this ticket. He says that he has some documentation from the court, from a judge. And so I'm asking the court to set this for a pretrial so that he can get his documentation together and we can see where everybody stands.
All right, well, you'll get a new notice in the mail, Mr. Blankenship, Apple Ridge Street, a valid address, correct?
Yes, sir.
And your phone number ends in 9889, correct?
Yes, sir.
Pay close attention to your mail. You'll receive a new notice in the mail.
All right, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Galaxy Note 8, and you have no audio. There should be a microphone on your screen. You should click on it to unmute your phone. It says that you're muted. Your phone, whatever you're using to connect.
All right, now I have a microphone. So
There
you hear
you
me
go.
now?
Yeah, your name
Thank
for
you.
the record.
Rafael Dominguez.
Spell your last name.
RDOMGUEZ. Dominguez.
Mr. Menyes, Al Hindman, the magistrate, today's the date and time set for a pretrial with the Van Buren Township prosecutor. You have a driving while license suspended case along with a civil infraction that of an offense date of April 15th of this year. You want to speak to the in-house attorney?
Yeah.
A breakout room is going to appear on your screen. You're going to click to enter it. When you're done speaking with the attorney, you're going to click to leave it, okay?
Okay. Okay, Your Honor.
Aaron, he's going to come to you in room 5.
Okay.
The room should be on your screen. Good morning.
Sharon Greer appearing on behalf of Mr. Raphael Dominguez Menace. And as to the arraignment, we will waive the formal reading and stand mute. There is a negotiated plea at this time. Mr. Menzies will be pleading guilty to not having a valid operator's license on his person, and count one would be dismissed.
And the civil infraction, is that included in that plea?
That will be dismissed. Yes, it is included.
Okay. Mr. Menzies, at the time of the stop on April 15th, when you were pulled over, did you have a valid license?
No, this I know.
I'm going to accept the plea. I've dismissed the original charge of driving while license suspended. I've added the count of no ops on person. Your fines and costs total $475. You can pay that in the next 5 days.
Okay.
You can pay it in person at the court's drop box, by US mail, or online. How are you paying it?
I'm gonna pay it on by mail.
Pay it in the next 5 days and you'll be all set.
All right, thank you.
Have a good day. I've dismissed the civil infraction.
All right, thank you. Thank you, Your Honor. So I can make the room down?
You're all set.
All right, thank you.
Well, we're obviously working at a widowmaker's pace today.
Are we done or?
I'm still here.
Oh, the docket only went to 9:30. Huh, I read it the wrong way. I guess that's all she wrote. Everybody turn in their overtime slip till we meet.
Thank you.
Thank you. Take
Yep.
care.
You too. Bye.
Bye-bye.